Hello friends. So today we are starting with the Ansible hands-on. So in the last video I have explained what is Ansible and how we use the Ansible, all these things I explained. I have given link here so we can watch if you are not read about what is Ansible and all, if you want to know. So in this video we will focus on hands-on, like how to create a playbook, how we run, all these things we'll see. So I'm using this Google Cloud environment to run the playbooks and all. So first of all, we'll go and create a virtual machine. So let's create 2 VMs. So yeah, here we can go in VMs. It is taking a little time. Okay, so I'll click on the create instance. So do note it is little slow today. Okay, so let's make it this one like I use for let's consider Jenkins 1. You can name it like this. So this will be under South Central region, general purpose. Okay, first purpose. I will choose a minimum one, like a 2 CPU, 1 GB RAM, because we don't do much, we just run the playbooks. And I think everything is good. So I have service account, everything is good. I will allow HTTP traffic. And let's create. So you can see it is getting created. So similarly, I can create one more. Okay, it is just created. So similarly, I will go ahead and create one more VM. It is Jenkins 2. So I can choose this to be in a different. So I can choose this in East. It also Jenkins 1 is an Jenkins okay, in US Central, and this is an US East. So and the mission type is small one. I will choose, and the device is a Debian. Similarly, I will allow HTTP traffic and create a VM. So 2 VMs are, one is already created and another one is creating, and we can set external IP as well here. So we have created 2 VMs. Now let's open the Google shell and install the Ansible and configure the inventory and all. So here we can open the cloud shell, and even we can open a separate window. Okay, so now let's see is it Ansible is available here. So Ansible is not there. So let's install Ansible. Okay, it is not CentOS one. I think it is Debian. I think. So I should run this with a sudo. So it is asking. SSH is done. Okay, I will copy my key. So this is the key. I'll copy it. So let's go to VM and add this key into VM so that we'll be able to log in. So click on edit. So you can see here search keys I can add here and save. Similarly, I want to add into other VM as well. Okay, save. Let me go to second VM and I will add the key here as well. Then once I add, so I should be able to search into this VM. So usually we used to add in a non-host file in any server, but in Go Cloud we can add in the console itself. So and backend it will also go and add in the same file. So I can let me switch back to terminal. Now if I make a search, okay, now I'm in the Jenkins 2 mission. So if I go to the search folder, so you can see there is authorized key. If I open that key, so whatever I added key, that is getting added here. So that's how this Google Cloud is helping. If you are not working with the Google console, so you may have to log into VMs. Maybe you are working virtual missions or other clouds. Right? You have to go into this directory .sh and authorized key. There you have to add your public key. Then you will be able to access. So let me exit from this VM. So I will go to host file, inventory file, that will be under /etc Ansible host. This is the inventory file. this is the inventory file. I can start adding here. Okay, so this is the read only. I have to open with the sudo command. So let me open that. Okay, I open sudo, and now I'll insert. I can create a group. I have Jenkins2 mission. I can name it as a J2, and let me make like this. I will create a one est group. There I will make this entry. No, this is not that. I will use this directory. Let me get the IP. This is Jenkins2 VM IP. Insert, and we have a CNT group also. And we have Jenkins group. I will paste this as well. And so let me get other IP of the instance, Jenkins1 instance. Okay, this is the Jenkins1 mission IP. So I will, that is in okay, I can group them like this. So when I want to install something on only particular like central mission or east one, I can go use this group. Or if I want to install to the Jenkins mission, I can group like this. I can call this group. So if you want to install everywhere, you can call all. So let me save this file. So now we can run the Ansible command. And then we have to specify group, like let's run in all. And we have to give command ping. So Ansible should be able to connect to a node because we added SHP. So this is there. We can avoid also in the configuration file. So this is able to get the response from the 82 mission and 211 mission as well. So we are able to connect successfully. Okay. Now we have to write a playbook. So let's write a playbook. So let's start writing a playbook. So I have opened a VI. Okay, so here I will start YAML like this. First thing will be name. And then host all, I want to sign all. And okay, so here to install my package we need to be a root. Okay, and here I'll start the task. So name would be stdpd yum here name of the package name will be and the state present and here one more saying that. So we have to enable the okay. So we have to reboot this one. Okay, before that, I will create a one index.html file. So I will copy this into root directory. So I will write for play for that. I'm like a copy okay. I will create in the same directory HTML, and I can which should be copied in destination is equals to /web /www /stl/html. I can give this whose owner. Okay. Okay, let's see. I'll specify anyhow this. Not working. Okay, I will write one more play. So to restart HTTP. Arabic HTTP state. Okay. Okay, so this enable okay. State is to restarted. So these two should be under service element. Okay. So I think this is the simple one we have. So let's close this one and create one HTML file. So here I will hope this tag will work. So this will work. It will make sure this the title will be under center. So I will also add okay. I will also add HTML1 and here should start. Okay, body Here just enter. Close body and close HTML also. Okay, so this should work. So let's run the playbook. Before running, we will check the syntax of the playbook. Okay, there is an issue. Sorry, I have to open playbook. So service will be enabled. I don't think this is required. Okay, I think copy has some issue. Okay, copy we given all this space affected fields. Destination owner. Okay. This should work. And there is no syntax issue as well. So what it's saying? Flash on key line number 2. Help. Saying here. Okay. So let me try this one. Inside service, we have to give name and this one. Let me try like this way. Name HTTP date restarted. Yeah, that was the issue. So let's run the playbook. It should install HTTP on the both servers. It is able to gather the file. Now it's installing the HTTP. Okay, it's installed in the two hosts and it is copying the index.html file. Okay, it is copied and it is restarting the database service. Okay, so it is able to run the task. Let's go to VMs and check. Yes, we are seeing this. Hello Ansible. So it is bring that center. Even if I open this one also, I'm able to bring it to the center.